Looking to transform your bedroom into a relaxing sanctuary? The right color scheme can set the perfect mood and make your space feel cozy, stylish, and personal. In 2025, color trends are all about balance, mixing calming tones with bold accents for a modern, peaceful, and welcoming atmosphere. Let's explore the top color schemes you'll want to try this year. In 2025, nature-inspired colors dominate, and earthy tones like beige, taupe, and warm grays are at the forefront. These colors create a grounding effect, bringing a sense of calm to the bedroom. Pair these neutral shades with pops of green, whether through plants, bedding, or accent walls. Deep forest greens or softer sage tones work perfectly with earthy neutrals to create a soothing yet vibrant environment. Soft pastels will be making a major comeback in 2025. Think muted shades like lavender, blush pink, and powder blue. These colors bring a light and airy feel to the room, making your bedroom feel spacious and serene. To avoid the space looking too bland, add bold accents like navy, mustard yellow, or rich coral. These vibrant touches will contrast beautifully with the soft pastels, adding depth and personality to the space. If you're a fan of sleek and sophisticated design, consider a monochromatic color scheme. In 2025, deep blues, rich charcoal, and muted metallics are key to this style. A monochromatic bedroom can look incredibly luxurious and calming when done right. Choose one base color and play with different shades and textures, from satin finish walls to velvet cushions and luxurious bedding. The trend of warm neutrals continues in 2025. Shades like caramel, cinnamon, and warm taupe create a cozy, inviting vibe, perfect for a bedroom retreat. Combine these warm colors with organic materials like wooden furniture, jute rugs, and linen bedding. This natural combination enhances the cozy feel while maintaining a modern touch. For those who love a bold look, dark hues like deep indigo charcoal and black are making a statement in bedrooms in 2025. These intense colors can create a dramatic effect, especially when paired with metallic accents like gold, copper, or chrome. Metallic accessories such as a statement light fixture or golden picture frames add sophistication and a touch of glam to a dark color palette. For a clean, minimalist approach, white remains a timeless choice. In 2025, pairing white with light wood finishes creates a fresh, serene space with an emphasis on simplicity. This color scheme allows other design elements, like artwork, plants, and textiles to stand out. The natural wood tones add warmth and balance, keeping the room from feeling sterile. Finally, for a rich, moody look, deep greens and blues are the go-to colors for 2025. These shades evoke tranquility and sophistication, making them perfect for creating a restful retreat. From dark emerald green to navy blue, these colors work well with a range of textures, from plush velvet cushions to textured wallpaper. These are just a few of the top color schemes for bedrooms in 2025. Whether you prefer a calm, neutral palette or bold, contrasting colors, the key is to create a space that feels personal and comfortable to you. Experiment with these trends and make your bedroom a place you can truly unwind in.